have something that you want to hit it. Hey guys, welcome back to Roké TV.
Welcome back. The sun hot.
And the sun in the eye, you can't see guys.
Anyway, today we're going to do seasoned rice on the beach, on the cold stove. Stay tuned for that seasoned rice with Ackee, saltfish and Callaloo. And coconut milk, yeah.
Yes, it's going to be a vibe. This is also this is also gonna be this is also gonna be a vegan friendly meal as well. So stay tuned. I know a couple of people have been mentioning things about vegan our last video, so I figured I'd give the disclaimer that this is vegan friendly. So and super yummy. Nevertheless, I don't want people hear vegan they think but just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, check out our previous videos, and share this with a friend and give this a thumbs up, please guys. It goes a long way. Just like the video. Don't forget to like the video before you leave. If you want to drop a comment, that's just fine, but just don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Alright guys, stay tuned.
Yeah.
Alright guys. Alright guys, so we are headed to the beach. To the beach we go. Oh show. Headed to the beach guys. Yeah. Everybody up by now guys. Look on the road there, God. Look on Jamaica road. Jesus peace. Yeah man. Oh, guys, look on the mountain view on the roadside. Nice mountain view on the roadside. Alright guys, so headed on the little pathway now. See it here? When they coming out earlier, beer drunk what they do over here, but I don't know what they're doing now. Oh.
Right at the main road.
Yeah. Yeah guys, so see the
people going to drive past enough time wouldn't know, you know?
see the road here guys. See the road here, right? Leading to the pond, which goes into the sea. Look at this.
Very peaceful guys, not peaceful.
Yes.
Get my grounding in, take it off my shoes.
Yes. I'm going to take off let me take off my shoes right now. Okay. Guys, I'll be a sofa and one bag of something.
Good feel. Take off your shoes, detox, it's toxins out of your body.
Yeah, see it look like gear guys. No business, you know. I usually hop over it, but
spring that, you know.
Oh.
It's spring.
Oh look guys. So this water, I'm just thinking the ground gets soaked. No, but I'm finding out. Oh, actually, we see the water move it through.
Spring.
Oh, look at spring, guys.
Yeah, run going on the pond.
Yeah, nice. I want crab wall that under this, huh? Yeah, dude. Guys, look on this big old crab wall.
Oh, no, I'm a crab wall.
Oh. I see some crab wall over here, sir. See some crab wall, guys. A big crab over here, you know, guys. But I don't like land crab still, so. Yeah. I'm a sea crab kind of girl. Guys. Yeah?
Alright guys. Fishing at this, you know. You see him? A nice size fishing at something. I just see my jump up and now. Maybe I'll multiply them in there too. Here are some little they were doing an experiment over by the pond with some RT mushrooms. It was way back in the day still, but these little ponds are still here. They were using these little isolation ponds to do the RT mushroom project. I think RT mushroom still in the water them in the water too. RT is some small type of shrimp, very petite. Think them in the water them same. I'm gonna show you the water them, and the water them have different color based on the chemicals them put in there. As I told you they were doing an experiment. I don't know what the experiment was about, but it was when I was a very little child. I think it was in like about 1999 them did the project. But this is evidence of the project. No fish living at them and thing. See that one here have a reddish color. And the one here have a different color too. I'm not gonna show no all of them. I like maybe 6 of them. Because I'm waiting for Acadian right now. We left the lighters. We never have the lighter to light the fire. Oh God, I see. So that's very important because she gone back for the lighter, you know. One fish definitely in that one, yeah. Big fish too. Because they might jump up and down. Trying to show you guys the last time. Okay, I never da catch them right, you know. Them things here, them called prop roots. Them grow. These are extension of the plant roots them. The mangrove roots, but them grow upright in order to collect air because the swamp is a waterlogged area. A bit of water in the soil, so little airflow. Just little to no airflow is in the soil, so plant roots need air. It needs air to survive. Plants need air. The roots need air to survive. So because the place waterlogged, them plants here evolve to a point where them start produce them type of root here so that them can survive in a swampy areas. See how plants crazy? Yeah. Are the same type of roots them, so them grow them all over. It's up on the trunk. It's up on the trunk of the tree. You use it to get air. Other plants don't need to do this. Other plants don't need to grow them prop roots here because they're not in a swampy soil. So the soil is not waterlogged. So there's proper airflow through the soil. And yes, airflow flows through soil. And earthworms help to like aerate the soil and them type of thing there. It's a little nature class. You can't get in now. Yeah, crazy. And anyway, this street fish now give me a show. Come on here, Katie. So that Katie and just come back now.
Yes, guys, had to go get the lighters. Forgot the lighters.
Yes, I should get them, you know, and thing. And
got me to dig up my body today.
Yeah. Now we're about to go.
Yes.
Let's see. It looks scary though.
Right? Look like a Halloween scene.
Yeah.
Guys, this looks like a Halloween haunted forest, right? Comment below if you're American and this like and you should I wish I could capture the big they're called in America, they're called John Crows, which are a form of vultures. Jamaica,
no, they're not calling John Crow, they're calling vulture.
No man, probably they call it John Crow.
That it look like on something there, you know?
Huh?
So that it look like a lizard or whatever.
Where?
That's it.
Oh. Yeah guys, they call them John Crow, so you can Google it, John Crow bird, or you can type in like it's a type of vulture. So So this definitely looks like a haunted scene here. Come here. Slow. You see him? Guys, what kind of bird is this? I wish I could get closer, but he'll probably try to fly away. Oh my god, he's kind of tall, guys. Like standing up, he's like 2 feet tall. Holy mogollys. Oh my god. It's a better view of him. Here he is. Oh my god, you can see him so good. Hi, guys. Hi, little guy. Hello. He's beautiful. Guys, comment below if you know the name of this bird. I've never seen this bird before in my life. Oh my god, he's so exotic looking. Like I told you, he's about like 2.5 feet standing up. He's pretty big, but he's slender. Oh my god. Comment below if you know the name of this bird, guys. Especially my Jamaican natives. So, as you saw before, if you saw in the previous video, you may have saw us cross the pond, but I just wanted to show you the edge of the pond. So, as you can see, you see like a bit of white froth. That's actually salt. So when the pond actually dries a little, it's like just pure salt. Like people literally, I've heard, come over here and scrape up, right? Right, Rhoda, and scrape up the salt. Yes. Yeah, so literally guys, free salt. Isn't that amazing? Holy mogolley, the sand is so hot. Guys, my feet were literally burning. This sand is so hot, guys. Right? Hot stones. Yeah. Maybe alright, so you think I should take them back off? Alright, guys, I'm gonna go for it. I'm not gonna be no punk because it's like a hot stone foot massage. Yeah. That's why? What? Guys, no, guys, I'm sitting here trying to record. I didn't even realize. No, guys, the sand is literally like 200 degrees. I have to quickly film this before. Look, so guys, I didn't even get to show you this the last time. Check this out. So this is one side of the pond, right? And then this is the other side of the pond. Obviously, this is the bigger part. Goes miles and miles and miles down.
Yeah, and then there's a bigger pond on the other side too.
Yeah.
So you know, go miles and miles and miles.
Yeah, guys. So that's up there. I'm pointing. Just follow my finger. Right there is where we have to cross. So like I told you, I wasn't lying. This is literally all connected. So here we go. We're off on an adventure. Oh, guys, we found some beans. Some wild beans. Yeah. Oh wait, they look like they're attached to the flower.
Yeah.
Oh.
I see like a bean plant here now, but I know it's
Oh, it probably is. Huh. Guys, comment below if you're a Jamaican native, if you know this plant.
and if
It's a form of bean. We're gonna open it and see what it looks like. And is it edible?
Really beans between them.
Oh, sure. Yeah, comment below if you know what this is and if it's edible or not for us, meaning humans.
It doesn't smell low, yeah.
Does it smell?
It doesn't smell. It's probably not edible here.
That's what I'm thinking too.
I'm gonna pick up that back with it.
Oh, wait. Oh, guys, look. I want to just show you guys the Salt Bay. Literally Salt Bay. Oh. You see, guys, it's foam. But then it dries into salt.
Yeah, it's dry up.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, you can collect some salt when it's time dry.
Yes, guys.
So what do you have to do to much salt?
Alright guys, here we go. Where the sticks at? Guys, like I said, I don't know if I told you last time. This also has quicksand. Quicksand.
See if I might take it. Guys, unpacking. Right, I pulled it out.
Look on net.
Mesh. Cool. Water.
Hey guys, we brought water this time to cook with. Yes, it made the bag 50 billion times heavier.
Come now, Katie, with the rice.
Oh, guys, time to unpack my baggage. So this is the Callaloo mixture for the seasoned rice. So a mixture, y'all see what the mixture is in a second. Wait a minute. We got the all-purpose seasoning. Wait a minute. Then guys, cup of course with the juice. Can't forget that. Rice, then coconut milk, check, and
Cool.
the coal. Santa, I do not want coal for Christmas, but coal to cook with. And what else?
Yeah.
I think that's it, guys. So,
Something in the back of the bag, the next
What?
part. The syrup
oh, the syrup. Oh, right. I
and
don't
the
want
pot
to see the
cover.
syrup.
This time it actually have ice.
Yes, guys. Guys, the coal is lighting. Light that beach up. Lighting the coal, guys. You hear the ocean waves crashing, guys? Beautiful views. Yes. Guys, so we're in business. The fire is up. Finally.
Yeah, I just want plastic bag when you use and pitch it, you know.
Yeah.
Next time I teach, you know, we get the cold stove.
Yeah. You kind of use like little scraps of plastic like this, like this little bun bag or any type of plastic you can get your hands on. But like you said, we'll show you next time.
Like use some little wood chips what they call bram and them little something. But they don't have to use that. Once you have a little plastic,
Yeah.
so good. You don't need a gas. I don't know. Some people use gas all the while, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, to get...
Them probably can't, but them probably don't have the patience.
Some people can't, they just don't know how to do it without gas.
Oh. Well, watch out the pot, guys. Because Road did actually dash one coal in there by accident.
Yeah. And coal is dropping in the pot.
Guys, so dashing in the rice now.
Dashing in the rice. Then
go rinse off the rice. Okay.
water. The water is heavy.
Yeah. So we're about to wash the rice and come back to you. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey, hey. Woo, what is up? It is hot out here. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Just thought I'd come in, pop in and tell you guys, hey, since I've been behind the camera. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Funny joke about this is it's actually Sunday. Yes, actually today, early in the day that we are recording this, and this is going to be up by this evening. So
It's almost like a live.
yeah, almost like a live. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a live from us. All right, let me know down below. Comment below if you'd like to see us on live. Okay, and we could definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, it's Sunday afternoon. It's a beautiful day. It actually started off really gloomy in the day. It was like really rainy. I wasn't even sure what type of weather we were gonna get, but regardless, the video was getting done. That, you know, that wasn't gonna stop anything because it wasn't actually raining. It was just like really gloomy and gray, but the sun is out and it is hot. Like, you would never be able to tell. So yeah, about to show you guys the swimsuit of the day. Stay tuned for that. Till now, enjoy these views. So guys, funny story, we're kind of high. What else is new, right? We drank some weed tea before we came to the beach and we're putting on the wrong pot. So we're actually gonna cook this up first and then we're gonna put on the rice. So I don't know if we told you, did we tell them what was in the mix?
Oh, we got Irish potato, we got Ackee. We got, but the island is hot yet.
Yeah guys, this is the
We got Ackee, Irish potato, onion, garlic, salty.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna make that.
So that is what's going in the seasoned rice, guys. That's the seasoning for the rice. All of those ingredients. And I'm gonna go cook some rice and mix it all in together. Great, seasoned rice. Comment below if you thought the seasoned rice was gonna be like some powder seasoning or something. Usually when you hear seasoning, you think, well, powder. But nope. It's way better. Yeah guys, so that is the swimsuit of the day. Bam, bam. There was a little modeling show. Hanging out on the beach, hanging out on the beach, hanging out on the hey. Oh, it's a nice day, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm about to go over back to row. I'm over here climbing around. So let's go see what's going on. Look at these clouds. Look at these clouds. So y'all see? Y'all see? These clouds look so so good. That's on my eyes. Like I said, I'm high as hell. High. That's some edibles. So you know how that goes. Guys, so this is the progress so far. Looking good, smelling good already. Guys.
Yeah.
Nice. Survive, guys. Survive. Guys, so it's finally done. So here's what it's looking like.
Get my put it in the rice now.
Yeah, so now we're about to put on the rice.
Right on the rice.
It adds.
Yeah, but
You're not. The rice not cooked yet?
no, if you throw in there, if you cook with the rice.
Oh!
Yeah,
I never know. Well, guys, I mean, I will twist it. I think you're supposed to put it in a cooked rice, but plot twist.
No, the rice not with the plan cook it.
You put it, after you cook it up, you put it in for boil with the rice. I wonder why you took off the rice earlier. You know, I say, what difference it make if it have to go with the cooked rice, either which one cook first? And see, that's why, guys. This is why I have to cook with the raw rice. So yeah.
Yes. So mix it in. It would have to mix in if the rice is cooked already. The rice would have tough.
So it's turning out like a stew.
It will cook down and farm and like rice.
Guys, this is my first time having this, so I'm excited. This is really good though. This is very cool. We get the butter, guys, but you know it's still a good bomb, you know, because the Ackee well buttery. So
yeah.
I got act as the butter plus the seasoning them. We're not gonna miss the butter. Just in case anybody wondering where the butter is, yes, we use butter and we rice, but we forget that nobody now walk real cross way so we walk earlier. So just with some butter. So yeah. Alright guys, so now we're about to add in some more water.
Yeah.
And we're about to add in some coconut powder. So we really, butter is optional at this point, guys. If you're vegan too, this is vegan friendly for pescatarians and also for regular vegans. If you just minus the salt fish, it would be completely vegan. And you don't have to use, you can use, yeah, coconut milk is, you know, obviously use organic coconut milk if you're a vegan. And then, yeah, and minus the butter, but it's still gonna be just as delicious. So yeah. Stay tuned for the progress. Alright guys, so look at it now. Nice and creamy.
Yeah, the coconut milk in there.
Yes, you see what the coconut milk did, guys? Make it so creamy and nice looking. Looks so good. We're gonna cover it back to simmer a little bit more. Adding some more water, guys, to steam it down.
Some amount of water.
Yes.
What more? I don't know what I got.
See water. Right. Like we pudding.
Yes. No, never wrong with the pudding. We pudding never do fire.
Oh yeah.
So the butter now back.
Uh-oh.
Is it good still there?
Alright. And guys, you have a skill pan coal for you.
I will have the grill.
Yeah, I'm sure we don't have no grill. Make it a bun so quick. But we got this, guys. We got this.
Yeah, it's good.
So This is what it's looking like done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful top view. We
Yeah.
also added in some powder seasoning. The powder seasoning you guys saw me
But
take out earlier.
burn.
We took it, we put it, sprinkled it on top, and then we mixed it in. So yeah. So now we're about to share and come and give you guys a final review.
So seasoned rice, guys. That good?
Yeah, man. Oh, that good one. Thanks.
Seasoned rice on the Sunday.
Alright guys, so it is.
There's the food.
I have to pick something myself, guys. You know, I know nip slip. Some little creep people in a comment go up here. When they have nip slip. I don't know if this is a person or like a robot or whatever, but you know, whatever. What check in. Guys, this bone. When you cook on coal fire and wood fire, it has like this smoky, jerky flavor it gives your food. Sell off. And then the coconut, so it kind of like gives the food like a toasted coconut vibe. You know what I mean? It's so freaking good. It's so good. So all my vegans and pescatarians, I definitely advise this. But like I said earlier in the video for my vegans, just minus, obviously just use organic coconut milk and minus the salt fish or bacalao, whatever you call it. And you're good to go. It's so delicious. And super healthy too, honestly.
Yeah, really good. They know idea really?
Yeah.
For the callaloo and everything.
You guys would probably kill us if we said it one more time.
Yeah, and the Irish potato tastes good nice too.
Yeah, but it has a lot of iron in it from the Callaloo. Really good. Really good, guys.
Food that food still at.
It actually came out way better than I expected. Not,
Yeah, me too.
not saying Rose knows how to cook good, but I just
But
didn't
the
know
first
how
me I
to
do it too.
mixture. Yeah.
The first me I cook seasoned rice.
Yeah, this is the first.
Really good.
Yeah, this is his first time, so we didn't know what to expect. Which is why I was so confused earlier when I was saying I didn't know why he was doing the cooked stuff, the steamed callaloo and stuff first before the rice. I wasn't aware that you could get down with the rice, but it's really bomb, guys. And if you're worried about it, like the other stuff being soggy, it's not. It's not. Even though you saw us adding water and stuff, nothing's soggy. It's so good. And the rice is like perfect. I don't know about you, but I don't like my rice super soggy. I like it like still with texture. So slightly firm. Not soft and firm, if that makes sense.
Yeah, the way for them I try soggy rice.
Brother, how are you at Dabo? Especially when people are trying to cook rice and peas. Where are you at Dabo?
Oh, right, you know, true.
Just pluck up like a rice and peas.
Alright, but I'm too early though. Because very nice stuff. And pumpkin rice over there too.
Yeah, see? Never trying pumpkin rice too, but let's say I can't see how that would happen.
Yeah, the food man. And I do me just go and mash it up. And nobody say, oh, drink.
Really not scared.
You know, man.
Comment below if you would be tearing this up too, guys. Let us know.
Yeah, real good. The coconut milk strong in there, man. Really strong and clear, grand.
And just brings out the flavor, and then the butter from the ackee mixed with the fat from the coconut just intensifies all the flavors. Like everyone knows, like, well, in case you don't, but if you cook, you know that fat brings off flavors, That's why people like to cook with like butter in their food to intensify the flavors. So good. So good. Hopefully one day you guys can come down and we can cook for you guys. We can vibe. Just like how we're vibing now. Alright guys, we're going to the water now. Sun hot guys, hot. Woo! Alright guys. Whoa, we finally get to cool off and put them. Alright guys, you see that? Watch when the water recede. You see that guys? Yeah, looks like a little cliff though. Yeah. Cool. Yes, it gets deeper right there too. Yeah, see this buddy. Yeah. See that guys? See how far it's now? The water literally had jumped over. Yeah. Right guys. Whoa, we finally get to cool off and put them. Guys, you see that? Watch when the water recede. You see that guys? Yeah, looks like a little cliff though. Yeah. Cool. Yes, it gets deeper right there too. Yeah, see this buddy. Yeah. See that guys? See how far it's now? The water literally had jumped over.